Fuck that Tacoma. Jeez. Wow, a lot of them lost their leaves in those gusts this morning. Look at that. The very end of fall colors, guys. Look how beautiful that looks. It's pretty cool when we blew them all away with our vehicles.
That's pretty. Yeah, wind was howling last night at 2 a.m. 4 a.m. Crazy. Latitude 33, outbound.
We're just left the campground. Thanks, Rich. That's really good is fresh squeezed orange juice. Last night did a damage on the trees, blew a lot of these leaves off. Now they don't look anywhere near like what they looked like yesterday. Says Sierra Ornell on the radio. High Stone. Sunshine. Kirk, I got a question. You might have the answer. Hit me. Side the road, there's some pot-looking things with a lid. What is it? Let me see when we run into one. Like aluminum or stainless steel. It looks like a pot with a lid. They're doggy poo bag holders. They might be sewage clean out. Doesn't the camp store up there have full running water, toilets and everything? So there's got to be a sewer line. All the way down to 395. It was so fun. Somebody pick you guys at the bottom? Yeah, DJ did. There's a mountain biking trail down there called the Lower Dry Creek Mountain Biking Trail that goes on for like 14 miles. So we rode from camp
down to that trail, and then it's a 14-mile trail, and TJ picked us up at the bottom and brought us all back up again.
Fuck yeah.
I think that's the gnarliest mountain bike trail I have ever ridden. There was some very technical stuff on that, but it was fun.
Yeah, I bashed my derailleur on it and had to replace it after that trip. That was a good trip, huh, Sean?
That was definitely a good trip. Yeah. My steps in.
We called that trip Fat Camp because we went mountain biking one day and then we did a 9-10 mile hike the next day.
But I think I just got fatter.
Sierra came on that hike that day, didn't you, Sierra?